mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic coastal Cape May, and coastal Atlantic. What? Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Delaware, inland Sussex and Delaware beaches. In New Jersey, Cape May, Atlantic coastal Cape May and coastal Atlantic. When? From 2 p.m. this afternoon to 4 a.m. Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside around trees. Use caution if you must drive. The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Coastal Ocean, New Jersey. What? Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Coastal Ocean. When? Until midnight tonight. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside around trees. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the regional weather forecast.
First high wind warning of the fall winter time. All right, double header too. The reason why it didn't go off the second time is because this is set to single county only for Cape May County, New Jersey. So, but yeah, there you have it. Oh, look, here it is. Scrolling on the Weather Channel. All right.
50%.